A great change within Portugal's Golden Visa is the sudden yet unsurprising interest in the mutual fund investment category. In 2019, 0.56% of all Golden Visa applications came under the fund option. That percentage grew to about 4% in 2020, 9.35% in 2021, and finally soared to 17.41% in 2022. The interest in funds as a route to the Golden Visa is understandable. They come with tax exemptions, a simple exit strategy, and decent ROI. They are also less emotionally dependent than real estate and do not require visits to check the investment. In order to apply to the Portugal Golden Visa program through the investment fund, you primarily need to be a non-European Economic Area citizen and a non-Swiss citizen, have a clean criminal record, have a capital transfer of €500,000 or higher, have proof of sufficient funds legally obtained with source of funds. Under the Golden Visa regulations, applicants can qualify by investing in a fund registered with the Portuguese Securities Market Commission, or CMVM. This ensures that the fund follows government regulations and is subject to official oversight. Choosing a fund that is not registered with the CMVM will not only result in an application being rejected, but may also lead to major financial losses. Different funds come with different investment options and varied risk levels. Funds usually offer investors options throughout the entire risk spectrum, ranging from very low to very high. In the very low risk category, risk is highly mitigated, but high-risk investments tend to yield much higher returns. A common practice is spreading an investment throughout the risk spectrum, with a majority towards low risk. Ideally, one should not invest more than 10% of their investment into very high-risk ventures. Another important factor to consider is return rates. In terms of returns, the average annual residential rental returns in Portugal range between 5 to 8%, depending on the location and investment amount. Funds need to be able to compete with those figures. It is important to note that dividends from funds have lower tax burdens than rental income and can be completely negated if a proper double taxation treaty is utilized. ROI isn't annually consistent, and the overall percentage can only be calculated at the end of the fund investment period. So it is crucial to understand how and when the fund will make the bulk of its profit. The final important factor to consider is the company managing the fund. Choosing a reliable fund manager is key to safeguarding one's investment and making the most of it. Investing in funds for the Golden Visa may seem like a complex matter, but at Saver & Partners, we make it simple. Our strong bilingual teams at our Dubai and Lisbon offices help investors find the best investment options for themselves. Find out more by visiting our website or by contacting our team of experts today.